Well, if the GAA weren't worried enough from the AFL lads from Australia coming over, now they've got the Americans from the NFL coming over. Because what is life like? What do you do on the New Orleans Saints? What's your job?
Yeah, so right now I'm on the practice squad. So basically this year I've just been kicking on my own, kicking in the practice setting.
Yeah.
But no other teams can see what you're doing. So I've just been sort of training hard on my own, just trying to not perfect my craft because you'll never achieve perfection, but just trying to get better and better every single day. Yeah, I've been a huge fan of the NFL for a long time. Like I'm actually just awake. I was up watching the games at 4 a.m. there this morning. So and a bit of jet lag as well. But I've just been a huge fan of it, and I just saw myself, if I had the opportunity to try it, I knew I would go for it at some stage, and last year was the chance for me to do that.
How many kickers are in that roster? Like, how many are you competing against?
So there's just one right now who I'm competing against, and
Blake Group, is
yeah,
it him?
Blake Group, yeah.
So there's only one. So if he was to get injured, would you be next in?
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah. So.
And can you try and do something like that?
I mean, you want to play but you're not going to go to anything like that.
No, but you're next up. So that's where
Yeah, well, that's it. Yeah, but to me that's not enough. Like I want to be playing. I've got the drive that I believe I'm one of the best. If I got the opportunity, I feel like I'm ready to.
Come on,
to play.